Hey, so for this video, I'm actually responding to a comment that was on the main channel that I thought it would be a great lesson for everybody who's kind of going through this. So this is a comment that was on a YouTube short, 3 ways to hit $5,000 a month. And the original comment was good video, but you're not talking about ads, how much to invest to make 5K. And I responded with, you're asking the wrong question here. It's not about how much you need to invest. It could be $300, it could be $4,000, but being focused on that is going to get you distracted from hitting the actual goal. And the original poster or commenter, they agreed and they said that makes sense. However, the watcher 8343 decided to come on and say they're not asking the wrong questions and they're not distracted. They point out how misleading this video is by failing to mention about the obvious blind spot in what you were talking about. Stop this Fox elitism. And imagine telling someone startup costs are a distraction. Nonsense. So I wanted to, and then they go on crying about some other things that are just not relevant, but I wanted to elaborate on this because my point still stands and I'm still correct because of this. Your experience with this type of business is from one standpoint, yours. My experience is from thousands, with the thousands of people that I've helped build these businesses. What that means is I see stuff you're not even aware of. I've seen people go from $0 to $5,000 a month in sales with zero ad spend. I've seen people go from $0 to $5,000 a month in spend with $300, $400, $500 in ad spend. I've seen people go from $0 to $5,000 a month with $4,000 in ad spend. So I've seen it from every single possible angle I can, and you just have seen yours. So when I say focusing on the ad spend is a distraction, it stands true. You need to be focused on the overall goal that you're trying to accomplish. In this case, it's like, how can I hit $5,000 a month? Well, guess what? There's like a billion ways you can hit $5,000 a month in this business. All of them have one thing in common. They're going to require a shit ton of work. And that shit ton of work for some people is going to be ad spend. For other people, it's going to be like figuring out niche research because they have no money to spend on ads. So they have to find a niche that's not going to be ad reliant, that's in demand, and it's kind of like a unicorn. And they publish a book on it and it starts blowing up with little or no ad spend. That happens time and time again. Also, seasonal, right? It's what time of the year is this person starting? Because you can start different niches at different times of the year and blow up without having to put a ton of money into ads. So that's what I mean. Focusing on the actual work that's going to go into place. How much is it going to cost me to build my business is completely the wrong question. You have to be focused on, hey, I'm committed. I'm going to hit 5K. I'm going to do whatever work is necessary to hit that goal. That has to be your only focus, because when you shift your focus to what's all the work it's going to take, how much do I have to have in ad spend, and all of these nonsense worries, you never get started. And you just keep finding excuses of why you're not hitting your goal. But when you have a goal and you're only focused on the goal and you're like, I'm going to do whatever it takes to hit this goal, no matter what, then you hit your goals. So there's basically different levels to this. And everyone, whether it's $5,000 a month you're trying to hit, or $10,000 a month you're trying to hit, or you're trying to hit your first, $50,000 a month, don't ask yourself, how much work is it actually going to take? Do I really want to do this? Do I have enough ad spend to do it? Those are the wrong questions. You just have to commit and realize it's going to take a shit ton of work, and you're just going to get to work starting with today. So just wanted to share some thoughts on that. I think this comment, I think it required a broader response because so many people are distracted with the work that it's actually going to take for them to hit their goals. But who cares? Like, everything takes work. Some takes a lot of work, some takes a little work. Everything takes work. So do you want to hit your goals or not? Just go do the fucking work.